Okay, so the next question that we got is two words: opposite rays. I think it's more likely just asking, what happens when we have opposite rays. The quick answer is that they make a line. But let's rewind a little bit and let's talk about what a ray is. Ray. I know a guy named Ray. He's a nice guy. But the rays that we're talking about here in math are, or physics, are like, they have a start point. No end point. Maybe a nice way that you can remember it is like, we have rays of sunshine. So like the sun, rays of sun, well, it has a start point. So that's the start. They start at the sun. And a ray of sunshine, well, where does it end? It never ends because the sun is powerful. So, it could be a good way to remember what a ray is. It has a start point, no end point, kind of like the sun. The rays of sunshine, they have a start point, no end point. They keep going. They keep going on. Okay, so an example of a ray in like a Cartesian grid would maybe look something like this. So here we have y-axis, here we have our x-axis. We have a point, and that just goes out to infinity. There's no end point, but the start point is right here. So, yeah. Now, what happens if we have rays that are completely opposite to each other? Here we got ray 1, and, well, if we have ray 2, they're not quite opposite, but you could see, like, if we were to make them opposite by doing a little something like this, oops. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, I didn't know it was going to take the background with it, but if kind of see, we can turn, if we attach their endpoints tail to tail of a ray, it kind of eliminates the property that they have a start point but no end point. So their start points are now the start points of each other, and their endpoints are going completely opposite directions. So what does this make? It makes a line. It makes a line that goes infinitely long in either direction. So that's what happens when you have opposite rays, and of course the angle between them, 180 degrees, or if you're more of a radians type person, pi is also the angle that it makes, or 200 gradians. So 200 gradians is another way of measuring angles, but it's fairly rare. Anyways, that's how you do opposite rays. So, yeah, the above solution is good. Don't worry too much about gradients if you're not familiar with it.